This is the Nifty Trailer Mount 42T, a compact and maneuverable road towable trailer mounted boom lift from Niftylift. Utilizing its telescopic upper boom, the TM42T offers an impressive up and over clearance, making it ideal for reaching over larger obstacles, such as walls and buildings. Its road towable chassis and surge brakes with reverse override allows the towing vehicle to back up without unhitching, so the machine can be towed easily from site to site by a small commercial vehicle or four-wheel drive vehicle. This helps to reduce transportation costs while giving the user more flexibility when moving the machine. The TM42T's compact dimensions enable it to work in a wide range of environments, but it is particularly well suited to smaller industrial or domestic locations. Its low overall weight means that it's light enough to be positioned on site by hand, but the TM42T is also available with a traction drive option to make on-site positioning effortless. Operated from controls next to the tow hitch, the Nifty traction drive system uses hydraulically powered drums to turn the road wheels, allowing the user to drive and set the machine, making it ideal for softer ground like gravel and grass. The TM42T's basket can accommodate up to 2 people and their tools, and will allow them to position anywhere in its impressive unrestricted working envelope. The TM42T is available with a number of power options, including battery, AC power, gas, diesel, and bi-energy, which combines the benefits of the electric and engine power options on the same machine. The TM42T comes with hydraulic outriggers as standard, which save time and energy during setup. Operated from a control station near the tow hitch, each outrigger can be controlled effortlessly for easy leveling, even on inclines or uneven surfaces. Pressure-sensitive interlocks on all outriggers ensure that the machine is set up correctly and will not allow operation of the boom controls until all outriggers are safely in position. Operating the TM42T is easy. After turning on the basket control switch, simple-to-use, fully proportional hydraulic levers control all boom movements. By simply raising or lowering the levers while pressing and holding the green power button or foot pedal, the user can easily and accurately move each boom individually or together to position the basket. As well as the controls in the basket, there are also controls at the base. These provide a safety backup for the user and also allow the booms to be raised from the ground for security or maintenance purposes when the machine is not in use. In order to operate the base controls, the user simply turns the key switch to the base position and then activates the levers in the same way as the basket controls. There is a red E-stop next to every green power button on the machine. This allows the machine to be quickly stopped from either the base or the basket in the event of an emergency. The TM42T features a manual hand pump, which allows all machine functions to be operated even without power. Used in conjunction with the ground controls, this enables the machine to be safely lowered to the ground. The hydraulic outriggers can also be operated in this manner, so the machine can be completely stowed away without any power if necessary. Every Niftylift incorporates check valves on all hydraulic cylinders to ensure that in the unlikely event of a hose failure, the machine will remain safely in position until the user activates the controls. With maintenance-free pins and bushes, durable hydraulic hoses, and only a few easy-to-access grease points to service, maintaining the TM42T is quick and simple. So that's the Nifty Trailer Mount 42T. Developed specifically to maximize outreach, it delivers an unrivaled working envelope, especially at lower levels where outreach is often needed most.